Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the implementation of drug recommendation system based on sentiment analysis using machine learning, as well as we are used the deep learning technique also here. It is a latest IEEE paper. It will comes under NLP technique, that is a natural language processing. What is the concept of this project? I will try to tell you. Now you can see the data set. This is one data set we downloaded from the reputed website. Here the drug names are there in this column, B column. In the C column we are having that the conditions will be there. Condition means maybe diseases, maybe cough, birth control, obesity, we are having HIV infection, depression, like that lot of things will be there. And each this review is given by the individual user. Okay, one user is given, that is a unique ID will be there. Individual user is giving the review. For that review, he given that the rating also is given. Okay, and the date will be there and useful count will be also there. Okay, now this is the data set. In this data set, you are looking that there are nearly 1,61,000 records are there. It is a quite a huge data set. It is downloaded from the reputed government website we downloaded. Okay, this is a important data set. You understand. Now, what is the concept we are going to use in this project means, based on this review, we are going to identify this review is a positive review or negative review. Now, you are going to give, you have the depression. Okay, you are going to give a depression. So that what we are going to do means, for depression, how many medicines are there, we are going to get it. For example, 20 medicines are there for depression. What we will do means, for the 20 medicines, we are taking the review. And we are counting that how many reviews are positive or negative we are counting. So that for the depression, there is one medicine A. That A medicine is having 100 reviews. In that 100 reviews, 50 is positive, 50 is negative. Medicine B, it is 90 is positive, 10 is a negative. Means what we can say, instead of A medicine, you can take the B medicine. No, that is a logic behind that. Now, to make that whether it is a positive or negative, it is a big deal. So that what we are going to do means, already their rating will be there. No, we are going to take that above 5 and above we are taking as a positive review, and below 5 we are going to take the negative review. And one more thing, we are considering that useful count also. You can consider, no, for this review, first review, there is a 9 rating, but useful count is a 27. But second review, it is a 8, but useful count is a 192. So that compared to this rating is given by the user only, but this useful count will be given by the other users. So that compared to this first review, second review will be more useful for the people. So that we are going to consider the review positive, negative, as well as the useful count also we are going to consider. That is the main idea behind this project. Now we can able to go for the implementation side. This implementation will have the two parts. One part will be using the Jupyter notebook. We are preparing the engine. That is, when you are giving a drug name, it will going to identify how many medicines are there. For that medicine, how many reviews are there, and among that, how many positive, negative, and also it will consider the useful count. It is going to give the top 5 or top 10 medicines in the based on the recommendation score. What is the recommendation score? Based on the positive and negative and useful count, we are creating one score. That is called recommendation score. Based on that recommendation score, we are going to see the first 5 or first 10 medicine we are going to see. That for that we need that whether it is a positive or negative, no. For that we have to build the algorithm. That algorithm we are developed using ANN, artificial neural network, as well as LSTM, long short term memory. We used both are deep learning network we are used. But in the paper title, they are telling that it is a machine learning. The enhancement what we are doing, we are going to use the deep learning algorithm. In the deep learning algorithm also, we are going to do within 2 algorithms for the comparison purpose. For example, you are B or MTech students, your guide will ask you what enhancement we did, so that you can able to tell I implemented with the 2 algorithm like that. And apart from that, we are having a front end also we are having. In this front end, we can I can able to show that it is a logout. It is a front end also there. In that front end, for the end user purpose, we can use the front end also, so that it will have the 2 part. One is a back end part and another one is a front end part. First, I will show that what is the back end part. Now, this is a Jupyter notebook we are using. and we kept that this data set inside one folder input. We are having a training data and a test data we are having. We are doing the pre-processing technique. In the pre-processing technique, what we are going to do means we are going to convert the unnecessary symbols like punctuation marks, stop words like it, was, that, like that, and we are doing stemming process and remove the HTML tags, anything is there like that, we are going to remove the things. That is the first thing we are going to do it in this data pre-processing. And we are doing that data visualization also, we are doing that. In this visualization you can able to see that most drugs available per condition per patients. Now here as per the thing for pain we are having most drugs are there, untitled drugs are many are there, okay. And after that birth control we are having the more drugs are there, like that we are having a one graph. Then one more thing we are having that we are having nearly for the 10 rating review 68,000 or 10 rating review, 9 rating review will be 36,000, like that. For rating wise also we given the reviews. Then we are giving that the pie chart for the how many things are positive sentiment, how many are negative. But here most of the drugs are getting the positive sentiment, that is 75% will be there, and negative sentiments will be 24. But this type of data is not useful. We have to do that 50-50% equal, we have to do that. So that what we are doing to the balancing the data. After the balancing the data, you can able to see that this data will be adjusted 50-50%, we will adjust the thing. After that adjustment only we are going to take it for the training purpose. This chart is going to show you about that the year wise data. We are having a data from 2008 onwards, 2017 we are having the data. From this graph you can able to identify 2016 we are having the more number of reviews are there, and it is a month wise reviews. In the January month how many reviews are there, February how many reviews are there, like that we have the month wise review also there. Using the NLP libraries only, we are going to remove that the stop words. These are all the stop words. All the stop words we are going to review. And one more thing, we should not review didn't, does not, like that, because very important. Not will have the I am not fine means it is a I am not feeling good. I am fine means okay. Correct. Now not is it is having a very important, so that we have to keep these not things we have to keep. After that, what we are going to do means we are listing that the for the condition wise how many drugs are there. For the not listed there are some 253 medicines are there, because huge data set we have to remove that. For pain we are having 2019 drugs are there, birth control 181 will be there. Among that 181 drugs we are going to take the top 5 or top 10 we are going to show, okay. For depression we are having 115 drugs are there, we are going to take the which is the top 5 drugs based on the review and useful counter. Okay, now we are done the work, and after that we are finalizing the thing. We are taking the data for the processing. We are having a 1,60,000 data we are taking it. That 1,60,000 data also we are checking that whether there is a duplicate records are there, any other thing unnecessary things are there. We are removing all these things. After that it is coming that 1,59,000 records it is coming, okay. Then we are doing that the cleaning process. We are removing the HTML tags, capital we are converting into capital letters to small letters, and we are removing the stop words we are removing, and the stemming means running, run, both are same. We are changing it as a run only, like the stemming process. After that we will see that this is the data, it is a review, one review is there. After this review we are taking only the keywords. You can see now I is changed and removed, used is changed as a use. 2 is removed, take is take, okay. Another oral is there, and like that it will be changed for the based on the one library you are using the stemming, that will be changed here, okay. Then after that what we are going to do means we are going to do some sort called the bag of words. Bag of words means for each keyword we have to give the one token number we have to give, and after that we have to convert that entire one review. There are 10 characters are there, means we have to convert into the 10 numbers. So some reviews have the 20 keywords will be there, some review will have the 15 keywords. We have to make it everything is same. No, for that we are using something called padding or embedding process also we are using. After that everything will come in one proper structure, it will come. We can able to see that no, this for training we are taking 1,19,499 reviews we are taken. Okay, and each of the unique character will be around 20,000 characters we are taking, the keywords we are taking. For testing we are taking that 39,000 records with 20,000 character, that is the keywords maximum. Suppose some review have only the 100 keywords, means remaining will be 0 only. Then we are building the ANN algorithm. With the help of the ANN, we are build this ANN algorithm. This is the structure of the ANN algorithm. Then we train that the ANN algorithm. This is the training process. In the training process, we are getting 83% accuracy we are getting. Then for that we are plotting that the accuracy graph and loss graph, how much training accuracy you get it, how many training loss it have, like that, and we are save the model. And we are doing the model predictions also, we are doing with an algorithm, how much prediction is coming. Okay. Then similarly for the LSTM algorithm also we are developing. The LSTM algorithm structure will be shown here. And based on the LSTM algorithm we are training, it is giving the accuracy of 75% accuracy it is getting. Then for that also we plot the graph. Then after that what we are going to do means based on the useful count also we are doing some processing, and after that we are having the total thing that is called the recommendation score, that is the total prediction, means total recommendation score we are finding. Now you are giving it is a depression is one disease name, it will give the top 10 medicines. Ascending order, this is highest recommendation score, this is second recommendation score, like that you will get it. It is a back end part. Okay. Then we are going with the front end part. In the front end part we will show that you can able to register the user, you can go, you can able to first name, second name, mail ID, like that you can able to register also, you can do that. Once you register, you can able to back to login, we can able to go, I am giving that, I already created one user Guru, with the name I am entering that. So that I entered here. Okay, now we click this thing, it is home page. In this home page we are having all type of disease will be there. Now I am taking that vitamin B12 deficiency I am taking, and submitting means I am getting that the medicine recommended thing. It is having 91% is the recommendation score will be there. You click this link, it will take you to the Apollo website where this medicine is available. It is take you to here, so that we can able to order it here. And we can able to come back also, and we can able to check for the some other disease. What is the other disease we are having? I am looking for, these are all are the disease will be there. I am taking one thing, diabetic. Okay, diabetic type 1 I am taking, I am submitting the things. For the diabetic, these are the recommendations we'll have. The diabetic is a common problem. We have the this much medicines are coming here, and we can able to click it. It will take to the first recommended medicine. It will take it to the website, and we can able to come back. And here we are showing that the ANN algorithm is giving a best thing. Now compared to the LSTM, ANN is giving, so that we are plotting the accuracy plot under loss plot of the ANN. Data visualization, we are showing that this is the before what we did. Before we are doing that the balancing the data, we are having 75% is a positive, 24% is a negative. But after balancing, both are coming equal. That we are saying that change password is there. We can able to change the password, and you can able to log it. Or again, you want to come back, you can come to the home page. We can able to do like this. Hope this project will be very useful, and this will be very suitable for the BE student, MTech students, MCA, those who are studying computer science, IT department, even EC students also nowadays they are doing the data science project. It will be very useful for them. Okay, you want this project means contact us dhsinformatics.com. You can go to the website, or my contact numbers are available in the description, and bottom of this video also available. You can call that number, and we will give you the report support also, implementation, coding class, and we will support you until the last day of our review. At the economical cost, we can able to help you. Thank you for listening this video. I am signing out from this video. Thanks.